Welcome to Thimble.io, where we inspire lifelong STEM thinkers and build future-ready students and educators. Today, we invite you to embark on a journey with us as we explore Thimble.io and what we have to offer. At Thimble.io, we believe in the transformative power of STEM education. Thimble.io's mission is to make its unique STEM curriculum accessible to 100 million students by 2030. We're passionate about providing students of all ages and backgrounds with the tools, resources, and support they need to unlock their creative potential and thrive in a rapidly evolving world. Behind Thimble.io's success is our founder, Oscar Pedroso, and our dedicated team of education, technology, and engineering experts.
My inspiration for Thimble goes back to when I was a young boy. So I was always very interested in electronics, but I really wasn't sure how interested I'd become until I saw my really close friend building one of his own robots. And I thought, what do I need to do to learn how to build this? In middle school, we had a robotics team. In order to be a part of that robotics team, you needed to have a high math and science score. If you didn't have those grades, you couldn't be a part of those clubs. So naturally, I went to my mom and I asked, I was like, can you talk to somebody at the school and see if they will make an exception? So it took my mom to have to come in and fight for me to be part of the robotics team. And after a couple of really good battles, they ended up allowing me to be part of the robotics team. My junior year, we ended up winning states. And then senior year, I ended up becoming a mentor for the robotics team. So anyone who had expressed an interest could join the team, and they had eliminated all requirements for certain grades, certain math and science grades. Now anybody who expressed an interest could now be part of the team. I've always wanted to teach, so I ended up becoming a math teacher at a couple of inner city schools in New York, and I taught algebra and geometry, and I taught several hundred students, and most of my students had aspirations to go into technology, but they just didn't have the programs and resources at the school or district level to support that interest.
With Thimble.io, you gain access to a comprehensive suite of offerings designed to engage, educate, and inspire. Our carefully crafted hardware offerings, suitable for students in grades 4 to 12, cover a wide range of subjects, including robotics, coding, and engineering. Our kits provide progressive learning opportunities for students to grow their skills, knowledge, and expertise across a variety of fields and topics. Let's take a closer look at our progression of products. Level 1, Apprentice. Start your journey with Thimble.io's Apprentice curriculum. No experience required. Learn electronics, coding, and engineering fundamentals. Explore various sensors and programming languages like C++. Level 2, Maker. Apply your knowledge in creative ways with familiar components. Build a robotic arm for your Wi-Fi robot and discover weather and agricultural technology. Level 3, Technician. Learn soldering, advanced programming, and add finishing touches to your weather station, and delve into smart home technology, video game design, and music audio engineering. Level 4, Master Technician. Explore advanced topics in hardware, software, soldering, and data analysis. Dive into high school and college-level material in physics, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and computer engineering. But Thimble.io is more than just hardware. We offer an immersive online learning platform that takes learning to new heights. Our platform is packed with engaging tutorials, projects, and step-by-step instruction to support students and their teachers along the way. Accessibility, hands-on learning, community, and future-ready skills are the cornerstones of Thimble.io. We believe that every student deserves the opportunity to unlock their potential. So whether you're an educator looking to revolutionize your STEM programs or a student seeking to expand your horizons, Thimble.io is here to support you every step of the way. Visit us today to explore our offerings, join our vibrant community, and embark on a transformative STEM education journey with Thimble.io.